pediatric fevers. It's very important part. We need to see very specific information about objective symptoms more rather than feeling about their problem. A pediatric fevers, you need to consider it very, very minutely, right? You have to study the reactions and behavior during the fever. The parents must be asked which part is hot, which part is cold. What is the pattern of the fever? You need to understand what are the behavior of the child, the physical generals, their family histories, the state of the patient reactions, heat, what is the observation of the reaction to the certain, the activity of the heat, cold, covering, touching or being approached, what make them feel better physically, emotionally. You need to consider this. Few examples I've show, that is indicated remedies like hot abdomen with fever. There is an epis, arsenic, bryonia, chamomilla, cicuta. Hot ears with fever, alumina, calcarea carb. Hot head, cold extremities like I told you, arnica, belladonna, bryonia. Hot soles of with fever, cupromet, ferromet, graphite. So there are many remedies. You need to consider the exact symptoms first. Forget about the remedies. First note down the symptoms. Noting down the symptoms is very important part. So just go and don't think about keep on okay, what remedy should I give that it will go away. No. Just first note down the symptoms. Then you find.